It's said in this place peace resides, hence the name Shanti Niketan. Now let's see if this video is able to bring some peace to you or not. So as you can guess, this place is Shanti Niketan, the place where peace resides, and I'm so excited to visit this place. I am here for the first time, for the very first time of my life. I never have come to here before. It was my plan after my 12th that I'll study fine arts in the university, but things happened quite different and I moved to Mumbai, which is very different from Peace, to study fashion designing. I know life happened something else, and anyways, I am so much excited now to go and research about Shanti Niketan and move to different places and know about the art and culture. So I'm so excited, like so excited guys, and I want that you guys also see Shanti Niketan through my eyes. So I'll be making small clips as in a vlog. So I hope you will enjoy. So let's just get into it. The song you'll hear next is sang by my sister's special one, and I can't thank him enough for his voice. Hey, thanks.
ভেবেই না কুলায় রে আমার মন ভোলায় রে গ্রাম ছাড়া ওই রাঙা মাটির পথ আমার মন ভোলায় রে ওরে কার পানে মন হাত বাড়িয়ে ওরে কার পানে মন হাত বাড়িয়ে
These are the tribal dancers. They had eye communication with me. They just got me included, and it was really awkward. And within that exchange of awkwardness, I already found myself surrounded by them, and I don't know what really happened. I just went on with them. Also, I had made few friends there, and here they go. Hi! Among the little ones, she is Neha, and it was her birthday coincidentally, and I felt really lucky to be a part of the celebration that day. After a lot of search, finally found the village Lohapur, where women in the evening gathers and does their embroidery stuff. Me being from this background, I know how much hard work and patience is required, so just hats off to them. It's my driver uncle's nature. Wherever he goes, he does my publicity. Trust me, every time, everywhere. It's his nature. So just hear him out.
সবারই একটা ট্রেনিং আছে বড় কথা এটা একটা পড়াশোনা হয় সবারই একটা এই যে ডিজাইনগুলো তো এটা তো কেউ করে অন্য কেউ তো
Now, these people were so hardworking and so positive, you guys, and they were really very excited to see the camera. We kind of shared a mutual feeling with each other. The way they were surprised to see me making videos is same as I was surprised to witness their talent. Guys, this is the Amar Kutir leather workshop, as you can see outside, and there are so many workers working here. They're making their leather designs, the designs and various motifs. They're just making that, and the entire process, is done here. And this place is so nice. We get to know so many things by visiting this place. So I just loved, and I just will now go inside and see what is happening out there. So let's get inside.
এটা রংটা হচ্ছে চকলেট রং, এই স্টিক দিয়ে গোলা হয়, সব রকম
ডিজাইনগুলো আগে থেকে বানিয়ে দেওয়া না, মোটিভগুলো
ওইখানে ছাপ আছে, ওইখানে ওইটা চামড়া থাকে।
দিয়ে পেস্ট করে দিয়ে তারপর আপনার এর উপরে
দিয়েছি।
This is Khowai Mela or Sonarjhuri Haat. It is a weekly Saturday afternoon bazaar. Although this time I didn't come here for shopping, but I was mesmerized to see the art and crowd. I found this person selling clothes all natural dyed, and it takes great persistence to make such clothes, and he is so talented. খাদি পিওর না
একদম পিওর।
আর এই ন্যাচারাল ডাইগুলো ইন্ডিগো কি করে করেন একটু বলুন। লোটাস ডাই করেন।
আমার চাষ আছে।
All his clothes, I must say, stood out in this entire mela, and I definitely liked all of this. These are the Baul singers singing. They represent traditional folk music and songs, and the atmosphere that they create is so magnificent and so playful. See, even Bridjo feels like singing. It was the last day and work finally over. I mean almost over, and I got some time to visit the nearby river. This river is known as the Kopai River, and just beside it I could smell fuchka, and I mean how could I let it go? The mild breeze, the moon, it was a full moon, and my tiredness, everything blended so well. Also these people singing, oh my god, these people, they are found everywhere in this place, and these people are so talented. They have such great voice, and all the instruments they play, like they're so literally talented. I was so mesmerized and inspired to see them. And the songs are more like addiction. If you hear it once, you will most probably want to hear it again and again. It was my last night spent, and there was this party going on, so it's basically Shantiniketan's way of celebration. That day I learned the true definition of party, that is enjoying with a purpose. That's kind of having a value behind what they were doing. Guys, one very important thing I would love to say now, just right now, that is we should always thank those people who helped us in our journey. Like today I had no clue what I'd do because কিছু প্ল্যান সাকসেসফুল হচ্ছিল না। যেখানে যাচ্ছিলাম the people were saying না এখানে নেই, এখানে হয় না, and I was like, oh my god, what am I supposed to do now? Because Shantiniketan is a new place to me. This is my first time. I have no clue about the locations, about the places, kothay ki pawa jay, nothing. Like nothing. I started this from scratch, like from my home, from Kalyani to Shantiniketan. It's just efforts, nothing else. So I'm so thankful যাদের যাদের সাথে আমার আজকে দেখা হয়েছে, the small group of children যার সাথে আমার দেখা হলো, যার বার্থডে সেলিব্রেট করলাম, and they offered me to be a part of their birthday celebration, and we ate cake. I'm so thankful to them. They were so sweet, and also you know ওদের মধ্যেই একজন ছেলে was there, like he was a student of the University of Shantiniketan. I don't know what it is called. I asked him that where to go and how to find, so he literally helped me. Like he literally did. He gave his number to me, and then we contacted, and he literally helped me today, guys. Like এর পরেও সার্চ করতে হয়েছে, but that's okay because যা খেটেছি compared to that was nothing. So I think like I should thank God that miracles do happen, guys. যেখানে আমি কিছুই জানি না সেখানে some people coming to me and they're literally interested in helping me, literally interested in knowing what am I up to. So someone's coming. So anyways, I'm a little shy এখন. Anyways guys, দেখছে, সো আমাকে এখন শেষ করতে হবে তাড়াতাড়ি. সো আমি থ্যাংক ইউ টু এভরিওয়ান. বাই, সি ইউ টুমরো. This clip was when I was returning back home, and I kid you not, I was feeling like settling there. Like anyone who is into arts or any creative field as such, like dude, it's your place. And this video definitely is not the kind of vlog where I showed you all the tourist spots, so the fact that I went there for work is very prominent, and I just hope that you accept the video the way it is.